Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to solve too many friends on your Snapchat and you could not add any more friends. So this is the video for you guys. So watch it carefully. First of all, go to the Snapchat, and once you go to Snapchat, on the top left corner you can see avatar icon. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you come to this section where you can see my friends. Tap on my friends, and here you can see your friends list. Once you see that, you can remove the unnecessary friend or some stranger you have added. So simply I'm gonna remove this person. So you want to, once you tap on the person you want to remove, you come up with this interface where you can see manage friendship. Tap on that, and you have the options to block, report, or remove friends. Simply tap on remove friend and simply tap on done. Once you do that, you have the options to add more friends on your friend list on Snapchat. This is the one way to do. Another way is go back, and on the top right corner you can see a gear icon. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, scroll down until you find help. I need help. So simply tap on I need help, and once you tap on that, it's loading. You come up with this interface where you can see scroll down until you find contact us. So once you find contact us, tap on that and wait for a moment. It's loading, and once you tap on contacts, it will pop up with this interface where you can see this option you have to submit. So simply tap on or select I found a bug, and once you tap that, uh, you can see still need help. S, tap on S, and once you tap on S, it will again ask you question is what's not working. So simply tap on profile and communities, and once you tap on that, scroll down and you have another question to submit. What are you having trouble with? So simply tap on my profile, and once you tap on my profile, it will loading. So once you do that, uh, it will again ask you still need help. So simply tap on S, and once you do that, you have to submit this section: username, email address, my mobile number, device name, and then here you have to write your description, what is the problem. So simply type I cannot add too many friends on Snapchat, so please solve this issue as soon as possible. Simply type your issue here and simply uh, tap on submit, and it will be done. So once you do that, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and give the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video.